about to turn it
Some moments of our lives are valuable and worth capturing and storing forever. And the best camera to capture all these photos is our phone. Our team realized we can alter this experience of taking photos with smartphones to a new level and make external phone lenses just like professional camera ones. That's why we created Lensta, the new way of taking photos with high resolution, anytime and anywhere you want. Lensta is an inclusion wide-angle smartphone camera lens that can alter the experience of smartphone photography to a new level of inclusion, warmth, and lifelike appearance. With Lensta, everyone can be a professional photographer. Lensta enables you to take great lifelike photos of every precious moment, and it is there for you whenever you want to take that perfect photo with seamlessly high resolution. With Lensta, never leave anyone or anything behind uncovered in your special photos. Lensta is ready to ship, and it is available for both iPhone and Android. Support us on Indiegogo now. Share us and start taking awesome photos with your phone.
This is the Olloclip Connect X lens system for the iPhone X. It now unlocks with a push of a button and clips onto the camera around back, but can also accommodate the front. So you can share more of what you discover, remove the clutter, or just get up close and personal. To get this up and running, first squeeze the round button to remove the clip from the pendant. There's only one way to attach the clip, and the logo marks the front camera while the W1X or T2X marks the back. To install your lens, pull the handle back to retract the peg, then align your lens to either the W or T mark and clip it in. Now whenever you're ready to shoot, use those finger muscles you've been training and squeeze the button to expand the clip, making sure the logo is facing forward. Slide it over the corner of your iPhone and it'll lock in place. You're not limited to the back camera though. Easily remove just the lens and snap it onto the front to take all the group selfies. Remember that the iPhone X includes both a wide 1x and telephoto 2x camera, so you can flip and mount your Olloclip lens to accommodate either orientation. And that's it, you're ready to go out and start capturing the world around you. If you're feeling adventurous though, the clip can hold up to 2 lenses and they can easily be swapped between cameras. Oh, and don't forget about the pendant though. The random cutout on the inside is actually useful. Once you split it open, it doubles as a tripod. Say cheese. With the updated expanding clip design, it now works seamlessly onto any screen protector you use because safety first. And if you're really into customization, it also works over backskins too. Unfortunately, you guessed it, it still won't work on any cases, whether it be a tough case, sci-fi looking, folio, or no matter how thin your case is. So slap on your Olloclip, open the camera app, and the rest is up to you.
on.